I used to see him struggle to get out of bed every morning. But since he started this specific habit with ginger and local honey, the mood in the house has shifted completely. I noticed he finishes his morning workout and still has enough focus to jump straight into his meetings. It's like watching a different person.